Hello, welcome to Realflight 7. Today I'm going to show you how to get more airports and more planes into your Realflight 7 by importing them from Knife Edge software. Now I'm going to show you how to do it if you currently have Realflight 3 all the way to 9, any Realflight it'll work. You just need to go to Knife Edge software, the Knife Edge software site. Scroll down to the swap pages. Now, on this main page, you're going to have to register, sign in, and give a password. And then once you're registered, you'll come to this page, and you'll see all the different Realflights that you can select from. Select the Realflight that you currently have by hitting the plus sign. And you'll see there's aircraft and airports and recordings. You want to hit aircrafts or airports if you're wanting to download airports. But we're going to do aircraft first. If you want to import new airplanes or helicopters, you can select it. You want to pick the airplane model first in order to be able to import it. If you import color schemes or variants first, it will not show up in Realflight. So you need to have the models first before you can use the variants or color schemes. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different new planes that you can download and import into your game. All different types. I'm going to go ahead and pick the Lightning. And you see, if you scroll down, they have airplane variants and also different color schemes after you download the plane. So download it first, the original plane first. Once it's downloaded, now you want to go back to your Realflight and select Simulation, and then Imports, and then Realflight Archives. When Realflight Archives open up, you'll see you want to go to your downloads from the list and select what you just downloaded, which is the Lightning EA right here. I hit open, and at the bottom here it will tell me that it's successfully imported. That means I can find it now in the list of aircraft. Now I want to try to find the Lightning in the list of aircraft. And it's right there. So I select Lightning, and it will have to upload into the game. Sometimes it takes some time to do that. And then we select Fly. And as you can see now, I can fly a new plane that I've successfully imported into the game. Go ahead and land. Also, now we want to import new airports. We go back to Knife Edge, and we now hit airports. Now there's other airports and there's photo fields. I personally like the photo fields because it looks more real. But if you go to other airports, these are custom-made airports where you can fly FPV. You cannot fly FPV in a photo field. So I'm going to select an airport to import or download and then import. After I hit photo field, I will choose the White Horse Flying Club, and I will, now you usually can do a panoramic preview of it. And then you download. This may take some time. But after it's downloaded, you can go back to your game, go to Simulation, go to Import, Realflight Archive, and it's the same thing. You hit Downloads and select what you downloaded, hit Open, and it will import into the game. Now you should be able to find the White Horse Flying Club in your selection of airfields. And now we have a new airfield. If the airfield is blurry, you want to come up to View, and you want to come to Zoom Type and hit Auto Zoom. It'll draw the camera back so that you get a more visual of your field, and it will remove the blurriness. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you. And now I'm going to fly around in my new field with my new plane.